This is a actual police operation, but the police operation is not following the correct procedure na pag-aresto, not following the police operational procedure. And so, they are now in hot water. They've been relieved of their posts. They were assigned to regional holding unit and facing administrative and criminal cases, including the concerned head of office or the chief of police o yung mga opisyal na nagsusupervise sa kanila for command responsibility.
For the record, ilan po yung na-relieve sa pwesto, Chief?
To account, there are 4. Pagka mag-ooperate ka, you should be correct and or clear of your target. Meaning, yung subject nyo nang i-operate is alam na alam nyo at pinag-aralan nyo, and therefore merong kakulangan yun sa intelligence work. And sumunod yun is coordination. Bakit hindi coordinated ito sa uh, Baliwag or other police stations? Of course, iniiwasan natin yun na dapat ay merong coordination para of course walang masasaktan or walang magkakaroon na misencounter. And of course, para masuportahan sila, yung iba't ibang unit ay dapat nagko-coordinate para ma-utilize din yung resources ng ibang opisina.
Pero
Of
Chief,
course,
hindi po ba ito parang modus dahil wala daw po na ipakitang kahit anong warrant, walang dokumento?
it will be part of the investigation. No? Continuing investigation naman even after filing of case.